Pink's Garage. Pink here with a quick little update for everybody. I know it's been a while since I've had anything on the channel, and it's due to a couple factors. One, I was out of town. Two, I haven't done anything to film. There's been no racing. I've got a couple more rounds that I'm going to try and mix up a little bit of film with the Ridge. That was the last time I had my car out at a track. Since then, my car's been down. Got an issue which I'll get to later. Something new is, see this behind me? That's where old Blue is. So the 2016 Mustang's sitting under there. Entrance is hard to get to. I'm going to have to get another door for it so I can get in the front and the back. It's fairly new. Just got it set up and moved the car in here so I could make myself a little room so I could work on the other car. So you look in here. See, there's the car just sitting there. See, spot there where my dogs have been going into the tent. So it's a good spot, you know, keeping the car. Got it under cover so it's not getting all horribly dirty and rained on all the time. And there's concrete under it, so that works. But what we got going on in the garage right now is this. We have my dogs going crazy because the neighbors just came home. So, if you look behind me, you'll see. We're working to finish this golf cart up real quick, get it done, get it out of the way, and where it's sitting, I will have this car. So I'll be able to put this car in the place and be able to pull the engine out of it like I wanted to, and be able to get some more work done on that. I'm really pushing to have this thing actually running before mid-December. So that's only a couple weeks away. So we'll see, but as you can see right now, there's just no room to work. I have run out of room and can't really get anything done. So it's just more work than it's worth. So I figured I'd go ahead and make some room. So I'm going to get that golf cart out the way once I get it running, so hopefully it runs. Then I'll put it where the Mustang is and move the Mustang into the bay area so I can work on it and clean up a bunch of this trash that's sitting on the side here, and not really trash, but all our stuff. So what we have here though is a 1971 Harley Davidson golf cart. Got some new parts on it already. There's a new muffler. It's got a new spark plug for it. I have a new starter for it, which I got to put in, and hopefully once I get that put in, it'll work. I also have a new solenoid, which is going to go right there, and a new battery, which will go right there. I'm going to spray that, get rid of some of that rust. So that's what's going on. I'm looking to have some new content here within the next week. Should be some work on the Mustang being done. And until then, everybody take it easy and keep those motors running.